Fine. So emergency stop normally happens on residential road or town centers. Okay, so you can't suddenly brake or stop the car on dual carriageway or 60, 70 mile per hour road. The car won't stop.
Yeah.
Residential road or town center, suddenly a pedestrian or a child or cyclist jump front of your car within a couple of meters ahead. In that situation, you need to stop the car, saving the child or a pedestrian or other road user. So this one, for the testing purpose, examiner will say stop like that.
Okay.
Then you need to stop instantly, brake. So normal pull up, normal stopping, what routine you follow?
Check your mirrors.
Mirrors,
Check where you're going.
signal,
Signal.
then position, speed reduce, and nicely stop and look.
Yeah.
So this is MSPSL routine.
Yeah.
But emergency stop, you don't check the mirror. You know why?
Because it's an emergency. Otherwise, you'll hit
Emergency.
somebody.
The time is not enough.
Okay.
When you check the mirror and brake, you'll kill the child.
Yeah.
You hit someone.
Yeah.
So it's end up in a big mess. Yeah.
Yeah.
So for the testing, so examiner will bring you a safe place.
Yeah.
They will take care of the mirrors. Okay. So you don't need to check the mirror. So they will say stop. You need to slam on the brake.
Okay.
Hold the steering firmly, slam on the brake harshly. After that, immediately handbrake and park.
Yeah.
Because this is a manual car, automatic car we are doing. Manual car is totally different. Yeah, clutch and brake and the handbrake and park. We don't need to talk about that. Slam on the brake,
Yeah.
handbrake, park.
Yeah.
You know why we slam on the brake and immediately handbrake and park?
So that it doesn't go forward anymore.
Further hazards. We don't need to cause any further hazard for the sequel because it's little bit panicky when you're doing that.
Okay.
Suddenly brake, you get nervous and panic. So that's why further more hazards, to avoid further more hazards, we use the handbrake and
Park. Okay.
park. Then examiner will say, okay, we are not testing anymore, and I'm not going to ask anymore. Then move on when you're ready. So you need to use the
MSPC.
No.
Sorry.
which routine when you're moving off?
Check mirrors.
POM routine.
POM. Is that the name?
What is that POM routine? You forgot that?
Is it check mirrors?
No, POM routine. What is POM routine?
First, P-O-M?
Preparation.
Preparation.
Then
Observation. Maneuver.
observation and maneuver. Move.
Okay.
Maneuver mean move. Yeah, move.
Yeah.
So how to prepare the car? Normally, when you pull up and moving off, you follow POM routine.
Yeah.
How do you do preparation?
Preparation is.
Yeah, that's what just I'm asking.
Okay.
Prepare.
Press
Press the brake.
Press the brake. Put in drive.
Drive.
Take off the parking brake, and then while holding the actual
Yeah.
brake.
Observation. 6-point check. If necessary, put the signal. If not necessary, leave it.
Okay.
But observation, 6-point check, final check is must. Happy with that?
Yeah.
Shall we try one more? Yeah?
Yeah.
So, yeah, fine. We parked now. So, when I'm saying stop, you need to slam on the brake, yeah?
Okay.
Fine. Okay, Samuel. Move on when you're ready, please. In an automatic car, the emergency stop procedure is slightly simpler as there is no need to operate a clutch. Here is how to perform it correctly. Number 1, listen for the examiner's signal. The examiner will give a signal, usually by saying stop or raising their hand, or both. They will raise their hand and say stop. Number 2, react quickly and remove your foot from the accelerator as soon as possible. Take your foot off the accelerator pedal immediately upon hearing the signal. Number 3, press the brake firmly. Press the brake pedal firmly and fully to bring the car to a quick stop. Don't worry about shifting gears. Automatic cars will manage this for you. Number 4, keep both hands on the wheel. Maintain both hands on the steering wheel until the car has come to a complete stop. Number 5, secure the car. Keep your foot on the brake pedal to secure the car after it stops and prevent any unintended rolling. Number 6, check surroundings. After stopping, check your mirrors and surroundings to ensure it's safe to continue. I'll take care of the mirrors, yeah?
Yeah.
Stop! No. No, this is not the... Yeah, park quickly. Park.
Yeah, sure.
No, no,
Not fast enough?
no. You need to slam very harshly. Very harshly.
Oh, that was not harsh
Very
enough.
harsh. That is
Okay.
not harsh enough. Because when you brake, I couldn't listen any anti-lock braking systems working. Because anti-lock braking system works, there is a sound come.
Yeah,
Grrr, like that.
it would pump the brake. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So slam on the brake. Because you, when I'm saying stop, you brake, the car stopped 5 meters above. You already killed the child.
Yeah, I
You
think
need to be very
that
careful.
means I need to put my foot a bit higher. I think
Very harshly, yeah? Right, move on when you're ready, please.
Okay.
One more time, yeah?
Shake around. Yeah.
Yeah. Off the signal, move on, speed up, and stop! And brake quickly. Quickly, you need to do this quickly. Well done, perfect. How do you feel now?
Okay. Yeah. That's different.
I can feel your hands are shaky, innit? So that much harshly you need to. Well done. This is the brake. Did you listen that noise?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one we need.
Okay.
Happy with that?
Yeah.
Right. Now move on when you're ready. We are not practicing anymore, yeah?
Yeah.
Fine. Excellent. Excellent. Well done. Perfect. You don't need signal over here. You know why?
Because there's nobody behind
Off
me.
the signal? Because there is a road on the right side.
Ah.
Sometime if you put the signal, people think we are turning right. If anyone waiting over there, they will come outside. Happy with that?
Yeah.
Well done. Perfect. That's the emergency stop.
Yeah.
Okay?
I need to-
Fine. Thank you.